Good mythical morning, ladies and gentlemen. Here we are in Cromwell, just by the lake. It's actually a bit of a river, so it's got flow to it going that direction. So we're heading downstream to the dam. Already cocked something up today. Unfortunately, we were meant to get a shuttle bus this morning. I believed it to be at 20 past 10, but it was actually 22:10, so we missed that. But it's all good. We're here in Cromwell. We're going to start the ride from here and go about halfway to this little boat and have something to eat. Hopefully that's good. I'm just going to cycle through an ATM, get a bit of money out just in case they don't have a card. But yeah, it's going to be a good ride today, and we'll see you on the trail. Emily ready for any type of weather here on the trail. She's prepared. No one's going to catch her out. This is the route for today. As you can see, Strava messed up, but basically what we did is we followed the lake all the way around on the left, all the way down to a bridge, went across the bridge, then again all the way on the right side, all the way to the headland, straight back down the headland over to the right hand side, straight over to the Coffee and Burger Afloat boat, which is just like a nice little rustic sort of restaurant. You'll see that later in the video. Public toilet rating, got the lovely 2-ply toilet paper, good smooth flushing action. Not too sure about the handle, all seems to work well. The only thing I've got to mark it down on, it's not the most comfortable seat, but everything else is pretty good. I'm going to give it a solid 7.6 out of 10. Lovely tap, accompanied with soap. Oh, that's a lovely smooth dispenser. Test the tap out. Oh yeah, that's lovely. Great stuff. Even a public faucet. Let's test if that works. Oh no, handle's off. Have to mark it down from that. Score's gone from 7.6 to 7.2. Oh, lovely. Look at this guy. Insane house. Got a helicopter chilling in the front yard. Some people, eh, Emily? It's alright for some, isn't it? Jesus. Zooming in the coop, that's what I like to do. Look at the stonework. Yeah. Lovely rockery. Engineering, this is. Oh, bloody lovely. There's a baby's backside, baby. Ah. Yeah, bruh. Here we are. Coffee and burger afloat. Some food and drink. Of course, give it a rating.
Has anyone got a sub 2 hour now?
No, it's like 202s or 201 or something like that. It's not far away.
Just had a lovely meal. Coffee and burger afloat. I had a venison burger. And Emily had a bacon butty. I got a various fruit and vegetable sweet sort of drink thing. Quite a healthy option. It's called like the Immortal or something along them lines. Some sort of fancy drink. And Emily had a iced coffee. Scenic area, obviously lovely place for a cafe. So in terms of area, got to give it a 10 on that. Food wise, venison burger was very good. It came in a little cardboard box. Didn't get any sides with it, so that's got to lower the score a little bit, just because normally with a burger like that I would expect some fries usually. But yeah, other than that, it was really good, and the drink was really good. Didn't look too good. It looked like tomato soup with like bits in it, but it was actually very, very nice. Incredibly refreshing, and I'm pretty sure it'd be pretty healthy. Other than that, burger good. So food, give that 9.5 out of 10. Drink, looks wise, got to mark it down, but taste wise marked up for that, so I'm going to give that an 8 out of 10. Fine score today in this beautiful place. Got to put it somewhere. You can work out the average or the mean or whatever you want to do, but I'm going to give it, I'm going to go for an 8.84 out of 10. About 8.84 out of 10, so that's a really high score, almost in the 9. Well, as I say, the only thing that would have put it into the 9 category would be the chips, so yeah, very nice. Good stuff. Tell you what, Will Mawson would love it here. Hello. Ooh. Yeah, brah. Hello. Oh, what a beautiful day for it. Oh, no one come around this corner. Hello. Oh yeah. Yeah. I own the road, baby. Oh, that was a close one. Bit of a log there. Doing it one-handed, around a 95-degree corner there. Plummet on the other side. Heart sunk, but I managed to stay afloat. but yeah, lovely.
Wasn't ready.
Lovely place. My bike's broke though. Steering's gone incredibly stiff, notchy. So I'm gonna have to try and work out how to fix that out, but a bit of a workout for the arms. You know I'm strong enough. Beefed up. Yeah, so it's a bit of a bugger, but oh well. Lovely little bit of lake and marshland, perfect for wildlife. Oh yeah, sun's gone behind that cloud, that ain't stopping us. Oh yeah. And the bird mecca, poultry heaven, waterfowl sanctuary. Seems to be many birds here. I tell you, you'd love it here. James Hills, James A. Hills. Ace for Alexander, or is it Archibald? Can't remember. He loves his birds. Loves his birds, that man. And the king of the skies out on the jetty, mogging every other bird here currently. Size of them. Would not like to get on the wrong end of that guy. Look at him. Look at that jawline. But I think that's one of his victims floating around in the water, and he's still moving. Careful getting too close to that guy. Oh! Emily trying out the public toilets. Gonna have to get a rating from her. Well, you giving that out of 10, fella? Out of 10? A 5? Wow, it must be shocking in there. Sorry, we don't have time for a detailed. Not as bad as a drop toilet. Yeah. We don't have time for a detailed review, unfortunately. We gotta go. But a 5. Not good. Not good at all. Quick lesson for the little ones. Time heals all scars. Steering seems to be working again perfectly. Just a little lesson there, a little life tip. Time heals all scars. Of course I'm going a bit. Oh bloody hell. Whoa! Bit of off pace, one-handed, let's go! just got a little life hack for you. Just got a tennis ball, as you can see. Got a little hole in it. Just then it slots straight on to that bar there. Just because that's the one protruding into the material that I've got that goes over the bikes. And I know Charlie Tiger will like that little tip because he's got a lot of experience handling bars and tips and stuff like that. So yeah, I think he'll like that one. So that one's for you, Charlie, yeah? Yep. There we have it, another beautiful bike ride in the central Otago region. Strava's cocked it up, so I probably showed the map at the start. Bit annoying, because I think we actually did about 40 kilometres, but it says we did like 17, but it's like missed, obviously, the majority of the ride off. But there you go. Technology, you can't rely on it, can you? But yeah, we've had a really good ride today. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Peace. Just want to give a special shout out to Charlie Nixon. He's the inspiration behind these videos, the reason why I've started this channel. So go check him out. Cheers. Bye.